Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. The new Galaxy Z Flip 3 isn't as feature-packed as its larger sibling unveiled at Unpacked. It's arguably a more exciting release. At least in the sense that there was no Galaxy Z Flip 2 between it and the old model, so it's been a long time coming. Samsung took all this time to improve the compact foldable phone in ways that matter, and although the form factor is virtually the same, the new clamshell foldable certainly exudes an air of refinement. Samsung has spent a lot of energy refining the Galaxy Z Flip 3 build quality and design, giving the latest model a 10% stronger frame made from what the company calls armor aluminum, and a foldable protective film providing 80% more durability. It's also water resistant, with Samsung claiming an IPX8 ingress protection rating. As for the overall design, Samsung went on to refining the smallest of details. The company's designers even looked at how the light reflects off the phone's edges to find the most attractive shapes. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. The final touch is a softer finish that should attract fewer fingerprints than the mirror-like paint job of the previous generations. The enlarged cover screen is one of the most meaningful improvements introduced with the new Galaxy Z Fold 3. It's a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED panel up from the barely usable 1.1-inch screen of the previous models with a resolution of 512 by 260 pixels and 303 ppi. This addition improves the user experience massively. The cover screen supports 4 swiping gestures and can be used for reading notifications and interacting with Samsung apps such as Music, Weather, Samsung Health, Alarm, Timer, Voice Recorder, Buds Controller, and Schedule. Galaxy Z Flip 3 owners can also make mobile payments without having to unfold the phone. They can use the cover screen to select a Samsung Pay account before securing the transaction using the phone's side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The original Galaxy Flip and the 5G model that followed had 60Hz displays. However, since even low-cost Galaxy phones now support a higher refresh rate, it was only natural for the Galaxy Z Flip series to eventually start using this technology. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the first in the foldable clamshell lineup to have a 120Hz foldable screen. In essence, a 120Hz display can render more frames per second, twice as many as a 60Hz screen. It results in smoother animations throughout the UI and mobile games performing better, as long as they support 120Hz. Samsung also claims that the foldable display is covered by a new protective film boasting 80% higher durability. The series of the addition of stereo speakers, neither the original Flip nor the Flip 5G had this feature, as they were limited to a single down-firing speaker and an earpiece at the top. Samsung's making a change with the release of the Galaxy Z Flip 3, giving customers a more pleasant experience when watching videos or listening to music. The 1.9-inch Super AMOLED cover screen not only offers better usability, but Samsung also treated it as a window through which Galaxy Z Flip 3 users can express themselves. The cover screen offers various customization options and lets users change the clock and background color. Samsung went all in with protective cases this year and gave the Galaxy Z Flip 3 4 different case types and multiple color choices. The first is a conventional 2-piece leather case available in 3 colors. It's accompanied by another case that has the same shape but features a carbon fiber finish. Then there are 2 other sporty-looking case models with nylon straps and keyrings. Needless to say, this is the boldest Samsung's ever gone with designing accessories for the Galaxy Z Flip series. All the 4-color model is available. Well, are you excited about the new device? Let me know in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.